just off Facebook basically, and we looked at 4 or 5, and UK Energy was the only one who actually sent a person round.
Paul was very good. He actually drew up paper plans as opposed to just vague shadows on aerial photographs.
N or Ellie were always, if I didn't actually speak to them straight away on the phone, they always got back to me. And we had all the paperwork through systematically, so we knew exactly what was happening when and when we had to pay the instalments on the invoice. So it went really smoothly.
The electrician worked till reasonably late, but it's all done in a day. Roy was very pleasant, polite, and answered the questions we wanted answering. We've had subsequent discussions with Evan about the software and things like that. Well, it's producing electricity even on a day like this, which is quite encouraging. It charges the battery enough to use things like fan heaters and do the immersion heating. We possibly will go for a bigger battery or an additional battery later on. We have standby electric, fan heaters in the bathrooms for cold mornings. All those things will probably come when we're properly on the Octopus system, and then we can work out, when's the best time to have things running, whether we should run things overnight or run them during the day. Environmental concerns, really, because we're probably of an age they may not pay back. Although they're giving, the projection was 7 years. That's obviously a factor as well, but it's just something we've always wanted to do. We would have probably done it on the last place we lived in, Twickenham, but unfortunately we were overshadowed.